Another beautiful day, guys. Rise and shine. It's grind time. I'm running a little later than I normally do on a Friday. Usually on Fridays I try to get there by at least 8:15, 8:20. It's about 8:40 right now. But I already been to Home Depot, fix a shower. Shit, I'm already on it, guys. Get this day started early. It's money making day today. It's Friday and it's a holiday weekend. Shoot. Better believe it, guys. It's Friday. It's Memorial Weekend. Yesterday we had a badass Thursday. It was booming at the shop. It was super busy. So I expect it to be better today. Got a couple things. Got me a new. I'm gonna do a review on it, so it's gonna be up and coming. I got a new lather machine. I like to go with the old school lather machines. I like to use Campbell's, but you know, over years they tend to clog up and they don't work as good anymore. I got 3 of them that I use that they just don't work right no more. But I ordered me a new one. It's new generation. It's a new generation Campbell's. So see how that one works. I hope it kicks out some nice thick lather. You know what I'm talking about, guys. For you guys that were watching my video on doing shaves with it, you notice I don't use lather on the shaves, on the facial shaves. I don't, but I do use lather when I do the neck and the sideburns. Everybody gets lather on neck and sideburn if they get a taper or a regular haircut. Fades I don't because I use a machine on them. All right, guys. It's gonna be a busy day today. I'm headed over to the 99-cent store before I go to the shop and get started. I gotta buy a couple of things we need for the shop. But I'm gonna stay in contact with you guys. You guys grind on, guys, and you know, just get this day started. So far today's been kind of slow. Started off real slow. I mean, everybody's working, but it just hasn't been as busy as I thought it was going to be. But that's just right now. Right now it's only 12 o'clock, so you know, a lot of people are still at work today, and the holiday doesn't start till after work today, so we expect to get a lot busier. Heading back to the shop right now. You know, guys, it's when you're a barber, it's extremely busy, extremely important for you to vacation on days other than when normal people vacation, you know. Like me being a barber, I always try to vacation Tuesday, Wednesday, you know, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Those are the days I normally go on vacation. I rarely do I go vacation on the weekend unless, you know, something happens on that weekend. Like say if it's a sporting event and it's a Sunday game. And even if it's a Sunday game, I try to tend to leave on Sunday. I try not to miss work on Saturday. You know, me as a business owner, I don't like doing it, you know. But you know what my point being is that, like, this holiday weekend, you know, us as barbers, we have to be here for our customers, you know. And it's not a good idea for you guys to be taking off on the weekend, you know, and especially on a holiday weekend, because especially if you're a newer barber, you know, and you're trying to make a name for yourself, and you know, you got to make yourself a name. The first thing you got to do is be consistent, and you have to be consistently there for your customers. And that's the most important thing. And when vacations like this come up, when holidays come up like this, it's better for you to be at work and working for your customers and being there for your customers, you know? Because you know, everybody wants to look good on the weekends. That's especially on the weekends. Especially on vacation, on holiday weekends like this, because you know there's going to be a lot of barbecues everywhere, barbecues, gatherings. So everybody wants to look good, you know? And that's the reason being we're in the service business. And when you're in the service business, you guys got to keep in mind that you're in the service business. You got to be there to serve. You know, it does you no good to be in the service business and to be on vacation because it's a holiday weekend. I mean, don't get me wrong. I usually take holiday weekend off, you know, but that's only because I put in my time, you know. I've worked every holiday that you could ever think of, you know. I rarely. Even, you know, this Memorial Weekend on Monday, we're going to be open on Monday. I'm not going to close down. I'm going to be here, and I'm going to work at least till 1 o'clock. You know, why not? There's going to be a lot of people that are off work that day, and they're going to be wanting to go to barbecues, and they're going to wake up early and think like, oh shit, I need to get a haircut. So I'm going to be here. All right, guys, I'm going to go back inside. It's been a little slow this morning. Like I said, it's weird. Some of the boys have been extremely busy. The main guys have been extremely busy, but me and my daughter, we haven't been sitting around. So, but I know how it is. People are still at work, and it's gonna get busy. We're gonna get slammed before this evening is over. I'll get back with you guys and let you guys know how it went. That's it for today, guys. Another day down the drain. 2 days left of the weekend. Not bad at all. Wow, 3 days, because I'm working on Monday. I don't know about you guys. But today turned out to be an extremely busy day after all. I don't know, you guys remember when I went on lunch, or when I went to the bank, it wasn't that busy. Remember I had told you guys that it wasn't the craziest as I thought it was? Well, it fixed. It got really good. It got really busy. We're all having a exceptional day, so right now it's about 7:15, still relatively early. I got here today at 9 o'clock, so it wasn't too bad. But it was a good day, good productive day. Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is Saturday. So tomorrow, I call game day tomorrow, but tomorrow is gonna be busy. I know for a fact it's gonna be busy. I got 3 appointments early, 7 a.m., 7:30 a.m. So, and then from there on, it's all walk-ins. So, comments, guys, video suggestions. You tell me what's up. All right. I'll see you guys mañana.